got 2 Elite pickups. This one I got at my local Champs, and this one I got on eBay. I found a good seller on there for a good price. So the Olympics, let me show you. I did wear them because I like them a lot. You see they are worn. Not that bad though. I just gotta clean them. I just gotta wash them. They'll be better. But yeah, I did not walk outside or anything without shoes with these. I will not. I'm trying to keep these in really good condition because I love these socks. They look so fresh on feet. I really like them. So yeah, there's that. I have another pair as well in the package, but they had 1 pair left on Foot Locker. Or no, 2 pairs actually. I ordered 2. My mom ordered them. She didn't tell me how many she ordered. She was like, I ordered them. I was like, okay. I would assume she got the last 2. She better. But yeah. So I got 2 more pairs coming online. They'll be here in a couple days. And I also have in the 2.0 Elites, I got the Spider-Man colors, and then I got the Black and Volt, and then I just found these good price. So if you guys know, these are retail for $15. The South Beach Elite socks, size large. So yeah, I got these for a reasonable price. I guess I can tell you because I'm not selling these. I got them for $17 shipped. So yeah, really good price for them. It was $17 free shipping, so I went for it. I got them. Yeah, that's worth it. And then guess what happens? I go to the Champs and they had 1 of the pair of these left. I didn't buy them though. I don't know why. So yeah, that's my 2 pickups. And my other things should be here today. I don't know. They might be here today or tomorrow. I'll get back on you. Peace. That's my pickup.